Adding pictures to your first class web page in the past was kind of annoying. First you'd have to create a new web page, like a blank one. Call it something like field trip or pictures. Make sure you saved it. Then once you went to it, you had to put the cursor down, insert file or image, find that picture, and then add it. Unfortunately, it would come in at the regular size. You'd have to click it, resize the picture so it would format and look correctly on the web page. Some people even used to insert a table. That way they could add multiple pictures to the same page and have them all sized the correct way. Not that easy. Luckily, there's an easier way. Inside of iPhoto, you can select the pictures you want to share. Go down to the very bottom where it says share and click on Flickr. There's other options, but Flickr is a good choice. If you don't have a Flickr account, you can click on Setup. You can either use a Yahoo ID, a Facebook ID, a Google ID, which I have, so I'll just log in with my Google ID. You could even sign up for a Yahoo account right there if you don't have one. And once you've signed in using your ID, it asks you how you got there. The second choice is directly from iPhoto. So I'm going to choose that second choice there. And make sure I authorize the app. Now I can close the window and take a look at my Flickr account. Here you'll see all the pictures that I just uploaded to a web page that you can either do as public or private. I chose public so everyone can see it. You can even click on an album, like my trip to St. Andrews or your trip to some field trip. Go up to the top and copy the link, the URL address. Go back to your first class page. And I'm just going to put field trip pictures or pictures from our field trip on my home page. Highlight that entire text. Click on that link button at the top and paste in my Flickr account. When I click OK and save and close, my parents can click that account and go directly to the web page album. If you use iWeb, and it's your first time using iWeb, you'll get this screen, but if not, you can click on New Site. You can choose any theme on the left that you want, but you want to select Photos on the right. This will bring up the photo page. In this case, it already says our amazing trip, so I'll leave it, but I'll change the description to our field trip to blah, 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 blah. And then on the right side, there's a couple of tabs. One of them says Photos. So I click on Photos, which immediately points to my iPhoto library. I can then scan down through all the events in my iPhoto library and choose the correct one I want. In this case, I'll choose my sunrise from Wells Beach. Drag them over and place them. This shows all of my pictures. I can also title each picture, so I could put in things that we did or the actual field trip part, like this one. And when I go to publish this page, not only will the parents and community members see my pictures, they can also click on this play slideshow and it automatically plays a slideshow for them. Real easy. And if you don't have an iWeb page, you can still publish this page to your first class account. Just a couple of ways that makes adding pictures to your web page much easier. For more tech tips, just visit Mr. Lawson's website and click on Teachers Tech Tip.